Hello and welcome to Sugarbush. My name is Aaron. I'm the Ski and Ride School Operations Manager. Today we're going to take you on a walkthrough of our kids program and how you get into a lesson. We're going to start with the check-in process. We'll show you how you get your equipment and we'll get you out on snow. Why don't we get started?
When you arrive, you'll find the schoolhouse located right off the parking lot at Lincoln Peak. You'll receive everything you need, including lift tickets and rental gear. Upon entering, kids get checked in at the front desk. They will receive a Sugar Express card loaded with their lift ticket if they do not have a pass already. If they have their own gear, our valet will take it from them here. If not, and you do not have a reservation, you use the computers to fill out the necessary information for rentals, which the kids will receive later on. If you have any problems with tickets, reservations, or signing up for day of programs, head to the sales desk for assistance. From there comes the final check-in. We will make sure your Sugar Express card is working properly, assess your child's skill levels, and place them in the group best suited for them. Make sure each child is prepared with everything they need. From here, they will head upstairs to meet their instructors. Based on their age and skill level, they will be grouped by either Sugar Bears ages 7 to 12 or Mini Bears ages 4 to 6. In their meeting spaces, there will be cubbies to store personal items as well as a full kitchen where lunch will be served. This is the home base for operations for the day. Please remember the schoolhouse is an upfree facility. Our staff will get everyone geared up from our rental shop or into their own personal gear, and it will be time to head out onto the mountain. Right off the backside of the schoolhouse is where the kids will start their lessons on the appropriate terrain for their level. After a full day of learning, adventure, and camaraderie, parents can meet their kids upstairs in the schoolhouse. Head right after the ticketing booths at the farmhouse. You will find parent entrances to the second level of the schoolhouse.
Thank you for choosing Share Winter with us here at Sugarbush. We hope to see you soon.